What if I told you that you possess a biological cheat code that takes exactly 5 minutes to execute and can permanently rewire your brain's ability to focus? This isn't a motivational theory, it's a breakthrough in neurocircuitry. Whether you're struggling with ADHD, dealing with age-related memory drift, or you simply want to 10 times your productivity, today on Neural Tools, we are decoding the science of interoception, the single-session tool that changes everything. To understand why your focus fails, you need to understand the attentional blink. Think of your attention like a camera shutter. When you lock onto something too intensely, your brain momentarily goes blind to everything else happening around you. People with ADHD don't actually lack focus. They overfocus. They get stuck in a soda straw view of the world, missing critical data because their mental shutter stays closed too long. But there is a fix. Your visual system has a secondary mode called Panoramic Vision. You can do it right now. Without moving your head, consciously dilate your gaze to see the ceiling, the floor, and the walls all at once. This isn't just a wide-angle view. It's a high frame rate neural circuit that processes information faster in time. It's the ultimate open monitoring state that allows your brain to detect more, faster. Here's the 5-minute secret. Published research shows that a single, quiet session of interoception, focusing entirely on your internal state, your breathing, and the sensation of your skin, can permanently reduce the number of attentional blinks you commit. By cutting off external visual noise and tuning into your internal signals for just 5 minutes, you train your brain to remain aware and steady. It's so powerful it even offsets age-related cognitive decline. I don't expect you to become a monk or meditate every day, but anyone can handle 5 minutes once to fix their attentional drift forever. If you're ready to stop missing life and start mastering your focus, hit that subscribe button right now. Your brain is a tool. Let's learn how to use it. This is Neural Tools, and I'll see you in the next one.